Hey everyone, welcome back to QuickTechHack. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading the Pinterest app on your Android mobile phone. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for discovering and saving creative ideas, so let's get started. The first step is to open the Google Play Store. On your Android device, you can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, look for the search bar at the top. Type Pinterest into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up the Pinterest app in the search results. Among the search results, look for the official Pinterest app. You can identify it by the Pinterest logo. Tap on the Pinterest app to open and then download it. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Open button on the app page. Tap on Open to launch the Pinterest app for the first time. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Pinterest app on your Android device. Now you can start exploring and discovering amazing ideas, inspiration, and much more. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. And happy pinning. I'll see you in the next video.